Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this class number 25, we are going to learn pass by reference of a structure in Rust. And for understanding this, we have to understand the concept of pass by value of a structure, then pass by reference of a structure, then how to remove the boring error that come when we pass the structure into the function, that we are going to understand. So let's start with the practical. Here I create one more project. I say cargo new, I say class number 25 and I say struct ref and go to this, go to main file under src like this. Here we need to create a structure first. So again I say struct student. It's a very simple structure. And I say here name of string type. First I say SID of integer type. Then I say name of string type like this student. Then I need to create here. So I say let s1 equal to student. Here I say string from. Under this I pass Dr. Vipin. And here I say, so first I need to pass SID of 1. And I pass name of this, and it should be like a parenthesis because it's a structure, not a tuple structure. Like this we have to initialize it. Now remember that it's a S1 structure is ready. Now I need to call by reference. So here I create a function. I say call struct and here I say of S1 same of structure type. I say student and I need to print this statement under this. So I say print ln and here I say SID means student ID equal to, and I say student name equal to, I say s1 dot SID s1 dot name. It's a very simple one and here I need comma. So this I'm using and I'm calling it here. I say call structure and here I'm passing s1. Remember that. It's a very simple one. You see here we have this and it's saying you should declare like snake notation. So I use this because it is the requirement here and I need to change into s also like this. Otherwise it will give warning. So we have changed the function name as per the Rust requirement required. So we have changed it. Now we have this also. So I try to execute this and I try to show you that it is called by value. So we have this one, this structure, we initialize this, we pass this structure into the function and we are calling this function. Try to call it, we say cargo run. It's a very simple and easy example, nothing special in it. So that is called call by value and we will show you this is called call by value of structure. And I show you that call by reference also, but first of all I show you the magic here. If I use this statement again inside this here, remember that if I try to use this here, you see, so you can see that it's showing an error. What kind of error? Now you see if I run it, so you see that the error is value borrow after here, means we have passed the value to this here and we are borrowing it again here. So it is not possible. Remember that if we pass the value of any particular variable or structure here in a function without passing a reference of it, then we can't use it. Why? Because the ownership of this is goes here. So here we can use, but here after that we can't use it. That's why we have to pass a structure as a call by reference. Remember that the error is coming. The error is how to remove boring error. So this error is coming, how to remove it? We have to pass it as a reference, remember, and here also we have to use it as a reference like this. Then it is okay. Now we can again execute this and you will have both the information. This is from the function and this is from the itself here. Remember that. That's why we call it call by reference of structure. So always try to pass the structure as a reference to the function, does not try to pass as a value. If you pass as a value, then you will have the error of borrowing. Remember that, because if I remove it from here, then this is the error. It is showing you that borrowing of move value s1. You have passed the ownership of this structure here in this function, but you are using it after that. So this is not normal behavior in Rust. It's a error. It's a, you can say, violation of memory management policy of Rust that we called ownership. So that's why we have to pass here as a reference. Here we have to receive as a reference. So remember that. That's why I have choose this topic, pass by reference of a structure in Rust. Remember that. So once again, try to execute it and you see the answer same. So I think you understand now what do you mean by call by value, call by reference in terms of structure, and how to remove the borrowing error in structure. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.